Good morning everyone, I am Junji Kalakat and now I'm going to share you an example of a dome in a SOLIDWORKS. So what is a dome? A dome is a rounded curved surface that looks like the upper half of a sphere. To make a dome, you have to first create a simple base shape, for example a circle, then extrude it to make a cylinder like this in the screen, like that one. Now to find the dome feature, you have to go to upper part, click the arrow, click insert, and click the feature and find the dome. Now if you're done clicking the dome, you are in a dome feature. Just simply click the top face of your cylinder and then change the size of your dome. Let's say it was a 20 and now we have a semi-sphere dome.
Good day everyone, I am Shalaudin from GM Abantas, and right now I'm going to show you how to use dome in any shapes. As what Kalakat said, you can find the dome features in the insert, then click the features and there is the dome. You can click the continuous dome for to shape like this, and that's it.